everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I have a very exciting, very special unboxing to share with you guys. It is that time of year. It is the Beautylish LuckyBag Lucky Box unboxing. I'm so excited. Oh, yay! So this is of course the 2020 Beautylish LuckyBag. We all know that 2020 was a complete show. So let us just hope and pray that we got lucky with this box. The last two, so I did the 2019 and I also did the 2018 box, weren't my favorites, so I'm really hoping that we got super lucky this year. And literally this only just got delivered. It got delivered just before and I'm about to go out, but I had to sit down and film this because I am somebody that I cannot wait. I have to show this to you guys now because I myself just want to dive straight into it. So with all of that being said, let's get straight into it. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. If you guys are wondering, I got the $75 box. Here it is in all her glory. How stunning is that packaging? Like that paper, they collaborate with an artist every year and it's just absolutely beautiful every year. So what I really like about Beautylish is that every time you order from them, your box will get signed by the person who actually packed it for you. I really do appreciate that. I think that that is just a really lovely, a lovely touch, and it just personalizes everything a little bit more, you know? Now, this box cost me $75 US plus $15 US in shipping over here in Australia. There are 3 different boxes that you can choose from. If you live in Australia, you can only get the 2, and that is the $75 Beautylish LuckyBag or the Jeffree Star LuckyBag. The other LuckyBag is the $150 Beautylish LuckyBag, and that unfortunately has never been available for you know, shipping to Australia. So I hope that they change that one day. But either way, these things sell out really quickly, so you have to be sure to be on the website on the 26th if you live over in the States. If you live here in Australia, it is the 27th, of course. And you need to basically be on the website in Australian time, 3 AM if you live in Brisbane, 4 AM if you live in Melbourne or Sydney, I guess, and 10 AM over in the States. PST, I think it is. So yes, I hope I got all of that right. So yeah, you really need to be on it because these things sell out really fast. You do indeed get double the value, so that is the whole idea. You spend $75 US and you get double the value in the box, and it's a surprise and goody gumdrops. Let's just go ahead and get straight into it. So I am going to read the card that you get every year as well. This is just one of those things. But it says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The Japanese character on this year's Lucky Bag, which means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. Yep. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. Hashtag LuckyBag 2021, hashtag Beautylish, all that good stuff. So yay, and that's what the symbol looks like. How stunning is that? Really love the artistry. Alright, so I'm just going to dive straight in and I'm just going to start picking things out. So I'm not going to pull it out this time. I did that last time and I don't want to do it this time. I want to be completely and utterly surprised. So without looking, I can't, oh, don't worry, I haven't seen anything. I'm not even, this has been wrapped really well. Where is the seam on this bubble wrap? Oh my goodness. Okay, I tried to not look, but I still have it, so it's fine. I just couldn't see the seam on the bubble wrap. All right, going back in the box. The things I do for you guys, honestly. All right, first item is, this is by Good Molecules. So this is the matte wake up eye gel. Ooh, that sounds good. I actually really like Good Molecules. I tried their brand for the first time in last year's Lucky Bag, and I'm just seeing if I've still got it here. I do. I've actually completely run out of this now, almost. This is the silicone-free priming moisturizer. I really liked it. I think that their price point is fantastic, and I'm very excited to try new products from the brand. So yes, I'm very happy to have received some Good Molecules. Okay, so the next item is, this feels like a brush. Oh, this looks like a Wayne Goss brush. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Okay guys, so it doesn't actually have a number on here, so I'm wondering whether this was like a holiday brush maybe. But this is a Wayne Goss brush. Oh, if I could explain how beautifully soft this feels. And I'm very excited that it's a face brush as well. I do have a lot of eyeshadow brushes, so I was hoping that I would get a face brush of some kind this year. And I did. So that is fantastic. One thing about Wayne Goss brushes is they are all handcrafted over in Japan. So, you know, there is just a lot of craftsmanship that goes into this, and they really are just so beautiful. I know they're expensive, but my goodness, I honestly do think that they are well and truly worth the money. So that is fantastic to receive. Oh, this has been really good so far. Okay. Okay, so the next item is, ooh, we have an Hourglass Confessions lipstick. I love, 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 love Hourglass lipstick, guys. It is probably one of my most favorite bullet lipstick formulas out there, no doubt. And this is what the component looks like. Absolutely stunning. It has a lot of weight to it. It is actually very, very heavy. And what I like about this is that these literally just pop straight out. So you can buy the lipsticks individually like this, and then you just pop it straight into you know, the little lipstick holder, and off you go. So I do think that that's really, really nice. So this one is called I Can't Live Without. I actually own this one. It is this beautiful, beautiful red shade. Isn't that stunning? I usually wear this on like special date nights, you know, that kind of thing, around anniversaries, that sort of thing. I definitely know that I did that last time. And so I'm very happy to have received it again, to have a backup. That is great. And as I said, these components are reusable, which is just so fantastic. So that is a really, really fabulous thing to receive, and a pretty decent price as well. So that's good. Okay, so the next thing, oh yes. This is, oh my goodness. Okay, so this is from Briogeo. I love this hair care brand. It is fantastic. You guys know I rave and rave and rave about Olaplex, and I do. I love Olaplex and I use it all the time. But this is the other brand that I reach for regularly. So I actually do in this exact same format. So this is the Don't Despair Repair range of the brand. I use their shampoo, their conditioner, and I really, really like their mask that they have in this particular range. So this one here is the leave-in mask. So I actually don't own this one. I have never owned this particular product before. So I'm happy that it's part of the range that I already sort of, you know, am familiar with, that I use. So I already can tell you that I feel like I'm going to like it. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was going to be in like a tube or something. Is this like a spray? Oh, it's a spray. Oh, that is so fantastic. That just makes life so much easier when you're jumping out of the shower, you know, your hair's damp, you just spray away and then you're done. I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. That is really, really fantastic. Yay, this has been a really good one so far. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, so the next item is, what are you? Who are you from? Okay, so this is from, I hope I'm saying this right, Surratt, this brand here. I've never owned anything by them before. They are sold over here in Mecca Maxima, I think it is. They are very expensive over here in Australia. I know that for sure. What are you? Ooh. So this is what the packaging, I'm assuming this is an eyeshadow maybe. This is what the packaging looks like. Really, really sleek, very, very, very luxe looking. How do I don't want to break this. What? Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow on the bottom. It is a beautiful, beautiful duochrome. Oh my goodness, I can tell straight away. Yeah, that is absolutely, can you guys see that? Just do a bit of a swatch. Yes. Yes, that is so beautiful. Okay, that can't be it. There must be more to this. Yes, there is. Oh, it's actually a lid. Okay, I feel dumb. Okay, so the lid, there is a lid and that comes off, and then you've got like, is that a cream shadow? Yes. Okay, so you have like a cream base, maybe? Or a cream shadow? I'm quite confused. That's what the cream looks like. Feels really nice. Feels very, very velvety actually. And it seems to be drying down quite nicely. So I wonder whether you're actually, I'm assuming you meant to put the duochrome on top of that maybe? Okay, very happy to have received that. I need to do a little bit more research into that one as to how to use it. But yeah, maybe I might do a video on it. I don't know. I'll see how I feel about that. Let me get this off first. Okay, so I feel like, how many items have we got so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this, we must be coming up to like one of the last items for sure, because you don't usually get more than 5 or 6, I don't think. And I'm assuming it's got to be an eyeshadow palette, so maybe. Yes, a long one. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm so happy with this year's box, guys. Oh my god. I have just received a Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette, and it's the big one. Oh my goodness, I'm pretty sure, was this limited edition maybe? I'm not sure. But this is incredible. This is called Starry Eyes to Hypnotize. How amazing is that packaging? Just straight off the bat, my goodness. Okay, I don't own anything by Charlotte Tilbury. Not that it's hard to get over here in Australia. You can definitely find it on, you know, online, but you can't walk into a shop and sort of see, touch, feel sort of thing. So I've always been a bit hesitant to buy anything from her because her products are quite expensive. But oh my goodness, look at that. That packaging is just so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Stunning. Okay, what does it look like inside? I actually don't even know. I don't think I do anyway. Oh no, yes, I have seen this before. So these are the colors that you get. How gorgeous is that? Don't mind my little extra light there. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That is so cool. I did see a couple of other unboxings. I haven't watched many because I didn't want too many spoilers. But one of the things that I saw was a lot of people getting the Natasha Denona Love palette and the Natasha Denona Bronzed palette, which would have been amazing to receive, don't get me wrong, but I own both of those. So I was really, really hoping that I was going to get something by Charlotte Tilbury or Tom Ford or something else, just not Natasha Denona, because I love her. We all know I love my Natasha Denona, but I really didn't want to double up. So I just feel so incredibly lucky to have received this. This just absolutely is so beautiful to look at. I cannot wait to create some looks using this palette and just to, of course, add it to my collection. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Okay, so what else do we have? I think, is that it? Yes, I thought that would be it. So recap, obviously we did just get the Charlotte Tilbury, what was this called? Starry Eyes to Hypnotize palette. Very, very happy with that. I can tell you straight off the top of my head, I know this is an expensive product. I was looking at buying her most recent one, the purpley one, off of her website, and that in Australian dollars is 120 there in itself. So already I've got the value of the box just in this palette alone, I feel. So that is incredible. All right, next we got the Hourglass, the beautiful Hourglass Confessions lipstick. Absolutely amazing. Not only did we get the lipstick, but we actually got the component as well. So I think that is just really, really lovely to receive. Again, quite a pricey item. Okay, so the next thing that we got was this item from Surat. I'm sure that's how you say it, maybe not. Anyway, I know it's quite expensive because I have seen them over here in Mecca Maxima before. It's a very unique product to me. I definitely don't own anything like this, so very, very excited to give it a go. Moving on, we have the Briogeo Leave-In Conditioning Treatment. amazing. As you guys know, I love this brand, and I really do love this particular line in the brand. So I'm so happy to have received this. I will get a lot of use out of this. We got the Good Molecules. Now I know this is an expensive item, if you will, but Good Molecules is really quite fantastic. I really thoroughly enjoyed the moisturizer or the primer that I got, and I see really good reviews on this brand online all the time. So I am very excited to try more from the company. That's really cool. And last but certainly not least is of course this stunning Wayne Goss brush. As I said, guys, you know, I really love my brushes. I don't, you know, I certainly don't have the budget to afford Wayne Goss brushes and Sonia G brushes. Like, they really are quite up there. So whenever I do receive them in a lucky bag, I always just feel super lucky and super thankful to have received them, because, you know, they will get a lot of use, and I just can't get over how soft and beautiful they are to use. They really do take your makeup game to the next level. Like, they, you know, I know people don't necessarily, like, they look at the cost of brushes and they go, is it really worth it? I promise you it is so 100% worth it. It really does change your look entirely. Like, if I'm being honest with you, that's just how I feel about it. I think they really are well worth the price that you pay for them, for sure, because they last long if you look after them and all that. So anyway, so yeah, I will have somewhere on the screen, guys, how much everything cost. Obviously, as you know, I paid $75 US for this plus $15 shipping. So somewhere on the screen will be the total value of my box. I already know for a fact that it's going to be quite up there, and I'm quite excited to see the comparison in Australian dollars as well. I really do feel like I scored big with this one this year. So yeah, very happy with what I received. I don't own any of it with the exception of that lipstick shade. I do own that one. That's my only real double up, and I'm really not mad about that at all. So will I be doing Beautylish LuckyBag 2021 at the end of this year? You bet I will. I will be on that website at 3 AM in the morning, waiting, eager to purchase, because it is just so much fun, and I just think it is so worth it. Like, this year in particular was so worth it. So I definitely got lucky. Anyway, guys, that is everything for today's video. I have to get out of here because I have to go to dinner. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. I hope you have a great week. And as always, I will see you all on the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.